everything you want, but you can't have.
What's up everybody, welcome to another detailed comparison video between this Oppo Find X7 Ultra and Honor Magic 6 Pro. Today we are gonna check all the different aspects of these two smartphones and find a winner among these two. As usual, before we start the video, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
Call it payback. Don't say I didn't warn ya. Stay mad, I know you wanna. This might hurt, but that's just karma. That's just karma. Go and play the part, play the victim. Throw a pity party with your demons. Blaming everybody and you screaming.
In hand, Oppo Find X7 Ultra feels so smooth. The rear panel is made with premium vegan leather. It has its own textures yet feels silky smooth. The black variant is not only amazing, it's elegant. The blue variant also looks cool and vibrant as it has two-tone design. Both of these two variants offer good grip and is nightmare for fingerprints and smudges. On the other hand, Honor Magic 6 Pro looks like a standard flagship phone. Nothing unique, nothing special. There is no innovation whatsoever. It's almost the same design as Honor Magic 5 Pro, and you know what? Honor has used Zero glass to protect the front panel, while Oppo has used the best Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Design of these two phones are so different, and as Honor has retained similar design from its predecessor, it looks almost the same as Honor Magic 5 Pro. I like the rear camera block of Oppo. It's similar to the Oppo Find N3. Yeah, it's amazing. Design and appearance is a bit subjective. People with different type of preferences would select different design. Personally, I prefer Oppo Find X7 Ultra cause it looks elegant. On top, both of the phones have an IR blaster, a secondary noise cancellation microphone, and a secondary speaker cutout. At the bottom, it's almost the same. From left to right, there is a dual SIM tray, primary microphone, USB Type-C port, and a speaker grill. Find X7 Ultra has two microphones at the bottom. It has USB-C 3.2, while Magic 6 Pro has a single microphone and USB-C 3.1. Volume rockers and power button all are on the right side of both the devices. On the left side, there is nothing on Honor, but Oppo has something special: an alert and security slider. The slider can be used to activate silent mode, and it can also be used to activate hardware level security. In VIP mode, the phone will turn off the camera, microphone, and location sensitive permissions so that applications can't gain access to confidential data. I personally feel build quality of Oppo Find X7 Ultra is far better than Honor Magic 6 Pro. So yeah, Oppo wins this segment. Well, here comes the specifications of Honor Magic 6 Pro. And here comes the specifications of Oppo Find X7 Ultra. Okay, before we talk about display, gaming and battery, first let's check the camera specification and performance of these two smartphones. Oppo Find X7 Ultra comes with an 1-inch 50 megapixel Sony Lightia 900 main sensor with optically stabilized lens. There is a 50 megapixel Sony IMX890 with optically stabilized 3 times zoom periscope lens, a 50 megapixel Sony 858 with another optically stabilized 6 times zoom periscope lens. And finally, Oppo has a 50 megapixel Sony Lightia 600 sensor for ultra-wide photos. On the other hand, Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with a 50 megapixel OmniVision OVH 9000 with OIS. There is a mediocre Samsung JN1 50 megapixel sensor for ultra-wide photos and a 200 megapixel Samsung HP3 tagged to a periscope lens with OIS for 2.5 times zoom photos. I have done a separate camera comparison video between Honor Magic 6 Pro and Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. I hope that you will watch that video. Anyway, me and my friend Mini, we have taken a lot of photos with these two smartphones and well, I'm not surprised to see that Oppo Find X7 Ultra has beaten Honor Magic 6 Pro by a big margin. I will let you enjoy some photos along with my favorite BGM. Check carefully and then make a comment. Let me know which smartphone has done better.
Everything you want, but you can't have. Number one regret, no takebacks. The hole in your chest, that's payback. Payback, yeah, you better take that. You could call me selfish and critical, I could take the blame. Just like I could take a match and send it up in flames. Don't say I didn't warn ya, this might hurt, but that's just karma. Better take that. Call it payback. Don't say I didn't warn ya. Stay mad, I know you wanna. This might hurt, but that's just karma. That's just karma. Go and play the part, play the victim. Throw a pity party with your demons.
This video is brought to you by Anker MacGo 3-in-1 charging station. I love this Anker MacGo 3-in-1 charging station because this one is Qi2 certified 15W MagSafe compatible, and it not only offers 15W ultra fast charging, it is combined with wireless power IQ. So Anker MacGo 3-in-1 foldable charger boosts our iPhone faster when we need it. Anker MacGo 3-in-1 foldable comes in an ultra compact design. I really like this sleek design. It is truly portable, it is very light and as compact as an Apple Magic Mouse. Anker MacGo 3-in-1 also offers a very fast charging speed for Apple Watch Series 9, so the watch will get 47% charged within 30 minutes. This wireless charger is MFW certified. Anker MacGo wireless charging station features a 60 to 70 degree adjustable angle for easy viewing in landscape and portrait modes. Anker MacGo 3-in-1 wireless charger supports iPhone 13 to 15 series, all the different AirPods which are compatible with Qi wireless charging, and it also supports almost all the Apple Watches, so we can recharge 3 different Apple devices simultaneously. Kudos to Anker. I have left a link of this Anker MacGo 3-in-1 in the description box below. Go ahead and check the product.
You could take the blame, just like I could take a match and send it up in flames. Don't say I didn't warn ya, this might hurt.
6.8-inch LTPO quad-curved floating OLED panel on Magic 6 Pro versus 6.82-inch new-gen LTPO AMOLED 2K panel on Find X7 Ultra. The first difference between the display panels is selfie camera cutout. Honor has an additional time-of-flight sensor for better security, but it takes space, so there is a large pill-shaped cutout, while Find X7 Ultra comes with a punch hole in the center. Oppo Find X7 Ultra has a new optimized algorithm and it boasts a video quality enhancement and motion blur cancellation to further ensure a superb viewing experience. For screen refresh rate, there are 3 choices in Find X7 Ultra: Auto, Standard and High. Magic 6 Pro has something similar: Dynamic, Standard and High. On both the phones, Dynamic or Auto means auto refresh rate, Standard means 60 Hz, High means 120 Hz. Oppo Find X7 Ultra comes with natural tone display, eye comfort and bedtime mode, which matches to our body's natural sleep cycle, so we can fall asleep more easily.
But I'm the one bleeding. You're the one that's
Yeah, Honor Magic 6 Pro also has eye care. Especially that circadian night display thing would be a great feature, but it doesn't work at all. Maybe some glitch in the software. Okay, actually there are a lot of glitches here and there in the software of Honor Magic 6 Pro.
call it payback.
Altogether, Oppo Find X7 Ultra's display performance is way better than Honor Magic 6 Pro. Oh, yeah, I need to mention, Honor Magic 6 Pro and Oppo Find X7 Ultra both come with Widevine L1 certification, and that means we can enjoy HD streaming without any issue. Both the Oppo Find X7 Ultra and Honor Magic 6 Pro have a proper stereo speaker setup, one dedicated speaker on top and another at the bottom. Let's listen to the same music to check the speaker performance of these two smartphones.
Yeah, she might be pretty, but I promise it gets scary. When she wants your daddy and she finds out where you live. Creeping in the shadows, eating poisoned apples. She's nothing like you ever seen. She's a itty bitty spider with a itty bitty letter and a straight jacket round her waist. When she gets a bite, you better run, you better hide, better pray that you're not worth the chase. Yeah, she might be pretty.
I ran 3D Mark the gamer's benchmark on both of these two smartphones, cause I personally don't believe Antutu scores. Well, as expected, Oppo Find X7 Ultra has managed to get the best loop score, 5117. It also has got a very good stability rate, 79.4%. Considering that it's a camera-centric flagship, well, around 80% is okay. Honor Magic 6 Pro's best loop score is 5090, pretty close to Oppo Find X7 Ultra. But wow, check the stability rate. This is unbelievable, 48.1%. So yeah, there is a huge difference in performance. I know, some of you would like to know about Antutu scores. Oppo Find X7 Ultra has got a better score again, 2,163,000, while Honor has managed to get 2,086,000. Yeah, benchmark performance of Oppo Find X7 Ultra is definitely better. But personally, I only trust in real life performance. So let's play some games. As both the devices are equipped with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC, so the gaming performance should be very good. But, well, playing Genshin Impact on Honor Magic 6 Pro is not that fun. Frame rate isn't that stable, the phone generates a lot of heat, and altogether, gaming performance of GPU intensive games on Honor Magic 6 Pro is more like standard. On the other hand, Oppo has engineered their Find X7 Ultra with some magic. Yeah, we have got a very steady and a very good frame rate. Usually, frame rate stays around 60 frames per second even after playing games for hours after hours. There is no hint of lagging and frame rate won't get a sudden drop. After an hour, obviously you will notice that the phone is getting slightly heated, but if you give Oppo Find X7 Ultra 5 minutes of cooling period and then start playing again, damn, you will again get that steady frame rate for 1 or 2 hours. On the other hand, Honor Magic 6 Pro gets heated so quickly and takes way longer time to get cooled. So if you are a hardcore gamer, then Oppo Find X7 Ultra is an obvious choice for you among these two smartphones. Till now, it seems Honor Magic 6 Pro has even failed to put up a fight with Oppo Find X7 Ultra. Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with a 5600 mAh battery pack and a 100-watt fast charger inside the box, but it supports 80-watt wired and 66-watt wireless charging. Oppo Find X7 Ultra has 5000 mAh battery. Inside the box of Oppo Find X7 Ultra, Oppo offers a 100-watt SuperVOOC charger. Find X7 Ultra supports 100-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging. Honor Magic 6 Pro offers 6 hours and 26 minutes of screen on time, while Oppo Find X7 Ultra offers 6 hours and 42 minutes of screen on time at high refresh rate. Point to be noted, Oppo has a better 2K display panel and comes with a smaller battery, though it offers longer screen on time. Well, if you are gonna use banking applications on your smartphone, then you will need to check whether your smartphone supports safety net or not. It's good to see that both the Honor Magic 6 Pro and Oppo Find X7 Ultra have passed this safety net test. But, well, when it comes to hardware level encryption and security, Oppo Find X7 Ultra is way ahead of its competitors. It has a discrete security chip, GSEA0, which ensures all the data, biometrics, and access to camera and microphone is securely managed without any breach. So when it comes to security and biometrics, Oppo Find X7 Ultra wins by a mile. It offers faster unlocking speed and more secure fingerprint unlocking. Both the phones have face unlocking option and works flawlessly, fast and smooth.
I'm the one bleeding. You're the one that's selfish and critical. You could take the blame.
Honor Magic 6 Pro has its own skin, Magic OS 8. Oppo Find X7 Ultra also has its own skin, ColorOS 14. All the Honor and Oppo Global Edition smartphones come with Google services pre-installed, so you can use Google out of the box without any hassle. Oh yeah, these are flagship smartphones of 2024 and definitely comes with Android 14 out of the box. Oppo promises longer major Android update, and Oppo also has a better customer support network.
Karma.
Okay, after watching through this video, what do you think? Which one has won this battle? Don't forget to share your thoughts and ideas in the comment section. I think you'll agree with me that Oppo Find X7 Ultra has won this battle. Considering the price and performance of Oppo Find X7 Ultra in different segments, Oppo Find X7 Ultra actually belongs to another league. I think Honor Magic 6 Pro is actually an overhyped and overpriced smartphone cause even the performance of Realme GT 5 Pro is better than Honor Magic 6 Pro. Well, that's all. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. Also, I have done many other different camera comparison and detailed comparison videos among these 7 smartphones. If you have missed those videos, then go ahead, check those videos.
You could